Assalamualaikum and good afternoon, everyone. We have come to the end of week 4, and soon enough we will be entering the week where it all starts officially. Now, on week 5, only students who have successfully registered for PBI 1112 Preparatory English 1 or Prep 1 will be allowed to proceed with the classes throughout this semester. Now, the ones who have not registered are highly advised to enroll for Prep 1 next semester. Now, you do not have to worry because number one, we offer the course every semester for every student from every faculty, and normally semester 2 will not have that many students registering, so you can actually expect less issues when trying to register for any group. Number two, if you are first year students, not being able to take Prep 1 in your first semester will not cause you that much trouble for as long as you take the course in the following semester. Alright? Now, it would only be trouble if you only start taking Prep 1 when you are in your second year, because by then your timetable will be more tight and you would want to complete all English courses on time. Alright? Now, speaking of English courses, specifically for those who are starting with Prep 1, you guys, alright? The flow is very simple. On the first level, you must take Prep 1 and then followed by Prep 2 after that. Now, once you have completed preparatory English courses, Prep 1 and Prep 2, you are to proceed with Academic English 1 and then followed by English for Professional Communication in the following semester. Now, also please remember that you cannot take more than one English course in the same semester. Now, you must pass one English course first for you to be able to proceed to another semester or to another course. Now, I hope this is very clear for everyone. Alright? Now, starting on week 5, because only registered students are allowed to enter classes, you must make sure that your attendance is consistent. Now, depending on our mode of online classes, may be synchronous or asynchronous, attendance will be taken every week. Alright? Now, for as long as you come to class and you do the online activities on ELIP and all the assessments, everything should be okay at the end of the semester. Alright? Now, since week 1, I have opened the Telegram group for everyone to join. I would very much appreciate it if the ones who have not registered for Prep 1 at the moment to leave the group, as it does not concern you anymore. Right? Now, next semester, when you have registered for the course, then you may join the group again. Now, for the ones who have registered, starting on week 5, I will enable the feature for you to send messages on Telegram. Alright? At the moment, I am disabling that feature. I'm the only one who can send messages in that group because I have a number of very important announcements that I need to make sure you focus on instead of being distracted by other messages from anyone else. Right? Now, once I have enabled the feature next week, I would appreciate it if everyone could follow the simple rules. Alright? Very simple rules. Number one, try not to spam the group with unimportant messages or replies. Alright? For example, when I share an announcement, alright, you do not have to respond with noted or thanks or some other examples. Alright? Now, on my part, when I know that the messages I send have been read by you, automatically the messages are noted. Right? So your replies are not necessary. Now, you are, however, allowed to respond if it requires longer or important responses. For instance, if I ask a question that requires answers from you, then you may answer. Otherwise, it will be really good to keep the group peaceful. Alright? Quiet, if you know what I mean. Okay? Now, rule number 2, please use English. For the past week, the past few weeks that I've been receiving piles of emails from students, some of which were written in English, which is really good. All right. However, there were some who decided to write in Malay, which I do not encourage at all, because the whole point of the course is to teach you how to use English. But that would be obviously pointless, because if you do not try to use English, you will not be improving your English language. Alright, now put aside grammatical errors, just try. Right? Practice makes perfect, as the saying goes. Right? Now, rule number 3, and the last one. Alright, I won't stop anyone to ask any questions at any time in the Telegram group. However, do not expect answers outside of office hours. Now, when I have the time to answer, I will answer. Alright? Now, if I don't answer you immediately, you can only expect the answer on the following working day, if it's a working day. Alright? Ethically, secara etikanya, ethically, do not burden anyone with text or questions in the group. It doesn't have to be Telegram, it can be WhatsApp, it can be emails. Alright? Do not burden anyone, or do not disturb anyone with any of that over the weekends. Right? Because weekends are supposed to be off time for everyone. Right? Now, aside from Telegram, there is also Microsoft Teams for all students to join. When we have synchronous class or live classes, now that will be the platform. Now, I would like to remind everyone that if any meeting is not started by me, or there is no meeting taking place, do not start the meeting. Alright, again, when we are going to do a synchronous class or live class, I will tell everyone in advance so that you can prepare everything you need for a live class. Now, if there is no announcement, that simply means that we are not going to do a synchronous class. We are going to do an asynchronous class, which is non-live, where videos and activities will be uploaded on eLeap page. Alright? Okay. Now, last but not least, I wish everyone a happy weekend. Alright, starting from today. And for those who are celebrating, I hope it's not too late for me to wish you happy Deepavali. Alright, I will be seeing you next week with many more activities. Alright, now until then, take care and Assalamualaikum.